In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sparkline in Excel. To get started, open your Excel workbook. This can be a brand new workbook or an existing file, depending on where you want to add the Sparkline. A Sparkline is a small chart that fits inside a single cell, and it's a great way to show trends in data without taking up much space. Once your workbook is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through F4. Before creating the Sparkline, it helps to quickly check that your values are arranged properly so Excel can read the trend you want to display. Next, choose the location where the Sparkline will appear. Click the cell where you want Excel to place the miniature chart. For this example, select cell G2. This tells Excel exactly where the Sparkline should be inserted. Now it's time to create the Sparkline. Go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Sparklines group, click Line. This opens the Create Sparklines dialog box, where you'll define both the data source and the destination cell. In the Data Range field, select cells B2 through F2. These are the values that Excel will use to generate the Sparkline. Then look at the Location Range field and confirm that it shows G2. This is the cell where the Sparkline will be displayed. Once both ranges are correct, click OK. Excel will immediately create a Sparkline in the selected cell. You should now see a compact line chart inside G2. Even though it's small, it gives you a quick visual summary of how the values are changing across the row. Take a moment to view the result. The Sparkline represents the values in your selected data range and makes it much easier to spot an upward trend, a downward trend, or fluctuations in the data at a glance. This is especially useful when you want to compare patterns across multiple rows without inserting full-size charts. If you want to modify the Sparkline, you can use a different data range. For example, instead of B2 through F2, you can replace it with another range that better matches the data you want to visualize. This gives you flexibility when working with different rows or sets of numbers in your worksheet. And that's it. You've successfully created a Sparkline in Excel.